welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today we have Olivet. Now, Olivet, we've never heard her with this, but it's a new thing to her platform. And she's speaking about Auntie Dana and, you know, Lorraine. But she's more focusing on Auntie Dana. She's saying that she's speaking about Auntie Dana. She's beautiful. She's a beautiful black woman. And she's giving her all the ratings, there is to give. And, she's saying, keep them clean and stuff like that. So, But now she's also, talking about Lorraine. And you will have to go and catch the video. Yeah, on a watch the video and listen carefully to what Olivet has to say about the situation between Donna and Lorraine and see where she draw her line because, she's rooting for Miss Donna. And so just go watch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a beautiful day today. And I mean, nobody stress, Yeah.
Just a second. Where's the baby? Yo, I don't want to talk about them people. They're important for my life right now, you see me? They're important in my frequency. And Miss Donna my frequency. They're not about them, it's about Miss Donna. It's not about them. You understand? Them squeeze out a batty hole like Didi and flush tongue toilet. It's not about them. It's about Miss Donna. So I don't want to hear nothing about them. Them name not call you so. I not put no attention to them so. Because they not hurt you so, Miss Donna. Miss Donna me talking about. Fluffy diva, beautiful Miss Donna. Pretty black woman. And she me talk about. Me not talk about them whole hog there. Them whole rock-a-taka hog there. Me not talk about them hog there, darling. We drive on all day and then car seat smell. Me not talk about them hog there. Me talking about Donna we clean and bathe and bake her cake. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know. But it was a joke, but you take it to another level, so yeah. Yeah, so I don't want to talk about them. I want to talk about Miss Donna. Amber, big up yourself, baby. I love you. My real friend. My real friend. Play with me now. I love you. Amber, my real friend. Play with me now. Play with me. If you give something, give something. You send back something. I don't like you to the people and to me. I hope you know do that, Just every time somebody send me something, send back something, give me that. I say, that you do to me. I'm my friend. I said, no, baby. Love her. My friend, man. I'm a friend. Real friend, And Sandra, I'm a real friend too. Florida, big up yourself, the mama. Yeah. Yeah. That's how you love some people, no matter what, they understand you, you know what I mean? And you understand them. So that's the greatest thing. I want to talk about them over here, man. Boy, I nose open up like some man I put body in nose and I stretch out in Ras nose. You see, I nose stretch out like man I put body in nose forcefully. It look like somebody used to abuse him through his nose when he young. It got to be. Nobody now their nose open up so good. Come on. Look at my nose big and it's still, you can't see my brain through my nose. You see the man brain naturally through his nose hole. You look up on the man brain. It's frightening. It's very goddamn frightening. It's frightening, man. If you see the man was woke up so I talk about the cake and you know I didn't have no money and him broke. In darling, my God. May God have mercy upon us in this time here. Only better left than alone. And if you can't buy the cake, leave it alone. And if you can't buy and buy two for me. If you can't buy and buy two for me, please. Because if you're there right now, then cake they sell off. Then I couldn't sleep off in America. If you're in America, I make cake like that. And the green from Jamaica, see me. Then I couldn't sleep at night in America. If she's there, I make cake. The amount of we line up at Dana apartment or house, however she there store. Then I couldn't sleep at night. You see? So you're lucky. And any for 8 till the night, we still pay a fee because we want it. We are pay a fee. Believe me. We are pay a fee. A fresh ingredients. Fresh cereal. Fresh cereal cake. However, if it is fresh cereal cake, darling, we never seen nobody in America make cereal cake before. Me never seen nobody. Me never seen them make cereal. Never seen them make a cereal cake. Girl, I don't want to talk about nobody but Miss Donna. I don't want to talk about something. I don't want to go into stuff that good. I keep hurting myself. Oh no, I don't want to talk about it. I don't know. I don't know how my mom doing. I really don't know. I really don't know. I tried my best with her, and my best wasn't enough. So I don't know. God knows I tried and I can't do no more than I can. The last time I had to end up in the hospital again, which I know that was gonna happen. Because I was taking care and she eat the fruits them and drink the natural stuff them and get the medicine, she would have been okay. But because she disliked me so much with coconut water, she not drink when I drink. She think I'm poison or something. You know, she not drink it, she not this, she drink. She's funny like that. Like she will tell people say me I try kill her. You know, it's like, yo, me can't. When I came back from the hospital, me dropped me on the roadside nearly dead and all them something. No, girl. No, brother. Me see one spirit in that woman there, I know she. Me see one spirit in that woman when she look for me at the place, I see the spirit. Me say, me can't remember that look, forgot that look up till now. Me, girl, me done, me can't remember. Me look up for myself now, goody. She have $50,000 type in a cloth inside there. And she hears me there at the place, and she never call me one day and say, look, darling, me here, so this and that I'm here, regardless, I'm a pitney. Come, take 5,000 or 10 out of it. She have the whole 50,000 to my next brother come take you up when she go in the hospital. Because she has so much money in her bank. I guess she don't want the government know so she have that much money. Because them still pay for the apartment and give her money for the picnic. He take the money with the baby mother and come over there and came back and was a flat bush and see apartment catch a fire and burn down. And the money and everything burn up in it. You see? Because she nobody help me. But me still take me little money and buy sitting food and sitting and try to help her. Me can't do no better, girl. Me sorry. Me cannot do no better. Me sorry. Me try. Me try. Me good. Me try. Me all my life me been trying. Me can't do it no more. So that is it. So Miss Donna, big up yourself. God bless you, Miss Donna. And God continue to bless your hand and continue to make you prosper. And no matter what, I know you're gonna prosper. And soon I'm find up cakes too. I'm gonna get the cake, guys, and I'm gonna let you know. I don't know when if I get it for Christmas or so right. I buy it right now to go spoil. So I forgot wait a little bit more done. And the holiday I'm done fasting, then we go get it. If I find out wait there. And me make sure it's it. You understand me? And me get it to know. You understand me? I can't tell no where to get it for myself. Where the stores one can get in a Queens or one can travel from Brooklyn where we go get it. Because I say Queens there. When we take the train and go. Me no mind. Me no mind. That's why I know which party there. Me can get from Queens, me find it. Me know Jamaica Avenue. You know, but we can take tactic from Jamaica Avenue, go anywhere, go and then carry right at the spot. So it make a difference. You understand? And so on. Yeah, but you never had the money. And he never want to spend the money. He come there for something else. He come there for gossip like woman. And not like I'm trying to disrespect him, but any real man would not go and do them something. A real decent man would not do that. A real decent man gonna go down there with his money, he's gonna purchase it. Hi, Miss Donna, da da da. You know what? I go like the cake. Come on, man, I bought the cake with Mr. Donna. It's really good, guys. So and so and so. I bought one. I'm gonna go back and buy another one. You know, and so on. May God bless you, man. May God reign with you. Talk good about other people's business. Nobody go down there go broke and because you're broke and you're not no money. And she maybe have like money and I can't my be your bad mind. Your bad mind. So you come back for come say she too expensive people and buy it with a lot, it costs too much money. And some dirty crutches girl that's not talk about yeah. She getting rich off people, she robbing people. What do you want to rob people? Where is she robbing anybody with the cake? Look at the price of the cake in American money and tell me what it is. 9,000 Jamaican dollar. 4,005 Jamaican dollar. What is that? Check the time so much you get. Huh? Tell me how much is that? I must stop it, man. Stop it. Stop it and make God bless you. Stop it. Just stop it. Which is right and which is right and right is wrong. Don't let that man. I mean, nobody knows you're going on the book and the money wallet. Them 5,000 you walk with. And you got a celebrity, you have a big celebrity cake. Do man a celebrity and I make celebrity cake, you got a celebrity place. Then you got Hollywood, you're gonna go Hollywood anywhere in Hollywood. Or anywhere in Gucci and all them place where they sell the name what? Eh? And going there, you're going there for buy a Gucci shirt, and you're going there for buy what you buy. But at the same time, you know, walk with the money. Eh? And you come back out to the store and complain it costs too much. But are you going to go buy? You never have no money at all for you. Come on, man. You gotta stop it. Gotta stop it. Stop it and make God rain. Let God rain. Let God rain. Let blessing comes. Let blessing come. Because that will be done on earth as in heaven. Our Father wart in heaven. All I be thy name. All I be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy kingdom come. And he will be done, he will be done, he'll be done on earth as in heaven. Oh, the Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want. Yea, though I walk to the valley shadow of death, but I fear no evil. Cause I know that my God is truly with me, is truly with me. The rod and the storm will comfort